How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to create a broadcast channel on Instagram, you simply need to launch Instagram app first of all. Sign into your account. Head towards Messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Now simply tap on Create New icon at top right corner of the screen. Then you will land on this new message section. At the top, you will get the option to create group chat currently, but if you have met the criteria in order to create a broadcast channel on Instagram, you will get the option in order to get or create broadcast channel at top of the screen. So if you get that option, you simply need to tap on it. So before creating the broadcast channel, you simply need to know the eligibility for creating the channel. If you want to know, you can go ahead and open any sites and search for requirements to create a broadcast channel. So the most important requirement is simply you need to have a public creator account and have at least 10,000 followers. You need to go ahead and check whether you have that follower or not. Tap on profile and here you can see that I don't have such followers. That means I'm not eligible to create broadcast channel right now. But if you have that option, tap on it and you have to simply set up your channel. Enter a name for your channel, choose your audience, set an end date, and decide if you want to show the channel on your profile. Once everything is ready, you can tap create broadcast channel at the bottom, and as an Instagram creator, you can use broadcast channel to share announcement, behind the scene contents, event details and more with your followers. And that's it. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.